Okay guys, so it's Friday and it's time to choose a winner for the spray gun giveaway. So remember we had three names that made it, and one of them was El Jefe, El Toro, and El Jalisciense. So I asked you guys to choose from those three names which one was the best that fits the Jeep, and you guys commented you know, the name that you thought that was the best. So let's go to the YouTube app once again and check out how many of you guys chose a name for the Jeep. So let's go to the YouTube app right now. Okay guys, so let's check out which names got more, or which people liked what name more. It's 4:56 p.m. Friday. So let's check it out. So this is the video of the I was showing you guys the three people, and then I told you guys to choose from these three people. I mean, from these three names. So let's do that. Let's start from the very bottom. Okay, so there we go. That's the first one. That's not the first one, but that's the very bottom one. So I'm gonna check the comment and the replies. So see, that was my reply. So he didn't comment no name. The second one, Richard Vargas. Richard Vargas. He did not mention any name. The replies, nothing. Daniel Dennis. Nope, no name. Michael guy. I don't know how do you pronounce it. So this one doesn't say coming. My reply. Yeah, no name. IH guy said OG. So I don't know what he's talking about. Fabian Munoz. I'm impressed. No name. J Cosmo. No name. FJ Finn 11. No name. Juan Palos went with El Jalisciense. El Jalisciense. So that's one for El Jalisciense. Check out the reply. Nope, that's me. Richard Vargas. Again, no name. Quentin Grillenberger. I don't know how to pronounce his last name or that second part of the name. He went with El Toro, and the reply was my reply. Okay, so El Toro gets one. Jalisciense gets one. Richard Vargas again. He didn't put no name. No. So Mike Reed, El Toro. So that's two for El Toro. No other people commented or replied. Radio Rescue, El Toro. So that's three for El Toro. One for Jalisciense. Kelly Davis, no name. Esteban Talamantes Jr. He suggested a new name, but none of the three. Ghost Flows RLMC, El Jefe. So that's the first one for El Jefe. OG Classic Jones, he's the one that came up with the El Jefe name. So Trina Williams, El Jefe. So that's two for El Jefe now, three for El Toro, and one for Jalisciense. B-Star, El Jefe. That's three for El Jefe. Giovanna, El Jefe. Michael Bagnall, El Toro. So that's 4 and 4. 4 for El Toro and 4 for El Jefe. Amir Ahmed. He didn't put no name. Imposter, El Jefe. So that's 5 for El Jefe. Hector, El Jefe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 for El Jefe. OG Classic Jones said El Jefe. I'm not gonna count that one because he's the one that came up with that name. So I'm gonna skip that one. The ON Grid Homestead, El Toro. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for El Toro, 6 for El Jefe. Retro on the beat, El Jefe. And that's it, guys. That's it. So I got 1 for Jalisciense, so that one's out. I got El Toro. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for El Toro, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for El Jefe. So pretty clear, guys. El Jefe took it. So that's the new name for the Jeep. El Jefe, the boss Jeep. So that's what I'm gonna name the Jeep. And OG Classic Jones, man, shoot me an email with your info, the address or whatever you want me to, wherever you want me to send the spray gun. So yeah, man, congratulations, and check on the video description. You're gonna see the email, and send me an email, man, as soon as you can. So that's it for the giveaway, guys. I want to thank all of you guys for participating, putting a lot of good names. Okay, then, OG Classic Jones, congratulations. Send me an email. Like I said, I have the link in the description. Send me an email with the information, the address. Yes, we'll talk about that later on. Just send me an email. I also want to thank all of you guys that participated. So I'm gonna name a couple of you guys that posted some pretty cool names. I want to give a shout out to Daniel Dennis. I also want to give a shout out to Big Al's house. You know, you got a pretty cool name, El Toro. Also, well, of course, OG Classic Jones, you're the one that won. Esteban Talamantes Jr., you put all kinds of names, man. You did I don't know how many you put, but you put really a lot of names. I want to thank you for that. Mis Perros, also El Jalisciense, he's the one that made it to the 3 finalists. But there's a lot of names, guys. There's a lot of pretty cool names. Juan Palos, I want to thank you too for commenting a lot of names. You've been watching and commenting my videos ever since day one, dude. I really appreciate it, man. One of them that I really liked a lot was another Z71. You've always been watching my videos ever since day one, man. I want to thank you for that too. Skelly Jeep was pretty cool. Radio Rescues, that was a nice name. Off-road Reaper. I would say your name, but I can't really pronounce it. Sang Chantra Long. Zero Tolerance, Robert Melendez, pretty cool name. Pismo Plasmer, Juan Palos, pretty cool name. Stormtrooper, that was a pretty cool name too. Stormtrooper, since the Jeep's gonna be white. So yeah, man, a lot of cool names. Sorry if I didn't mention you guys, but you know, I really appreciate you, all of you guys commenting and leaving pretty cool names. And don't forget to subscribe, comment on my videos, man. And let's go check out the gun, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a little package that you're gonna be receiving. I'm not gonna send the whole case because that's pretty big and it'll be cheaper this way. But let me show you what's inside. So you'll be getting the gun, of course. This is gonna be the hvlp, the high volume low pressure gun. This is the one I use. I like this one better. It's supposedly it prevents overspray, so I like this gun a lot. The other one's just a standard spray gun, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Comes with this little manual, so that's what you're getting. This, so you're getting the big cup, you know, for painting the cars or stuff like that, and then you'll be getting the smaller cup like for fenders or small stuff. When I painted my Ford Edge rear bumper, this is what I was using, a small one. So that's pretty practical also. Then you'll be getting the big manual. You'll be getting 3 of these because 6 of them came in the case. So you'll be getting 3 of those. The wrench. And this. So this had a couple of them inside, so I used the best I could. I divided them in 2. So you got these. You got the pressure regulator. I don't know what this is. Wait. Then the kit also came with 2 of these, so you got one. You got 3 of these little filters. 3 of these. And then the plumbing tape or Teflon. I don't know what you guys like calling this, but it's I call it Teflon. So that's what you're getting. That, this, the cleaning little brushes, the pressure regulator, the wrench with all the sizes that you need for this gun, for when you need to clean it. Once again, the small cup and the bigger cup, the gun, and 3 of these paint filters. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. OG Classic Jones, this is what you'll be getting. The other one, the other boxes, it's pretty similar, same stuff, but with the standard gun. But this, I'll be giving this one out for the 3K, for the 3,000 subscribers. I'll be giving out this one. Basically the same stuff, guys. Same stuff that it's in the other one. I didn't have one of those little bags, so I put everything on a Ziploc. So, but it's basically the same stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for this one. I'll be giving it out at the 3,000 subscribers. But for now, this is the one. OG Classic Jones. Send me an email and congratulations, man. And let me give you guys a little sneak peek on the 750. This is where I'm at, guys. Testing and trying new things. See you guys in the next video.